Okay. Now, here's parts 3, showing my LOL surprise. And I got this, see, it's a little scoop up thing. And got this. And then I also got some hair. This other little hair, though. Then I got this. The chicken sits, right? Oh, it's little goggles. Oh, that's cute. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so we got the baby. Let's put her hair on. Oh, she looks cute. And yes, I got this one. What's this? Let's open it up. Oh, I forgot to show you the baby. Here's the baby. Get out of my video! Get out of my video! Stop. My daddy's gonna sit by me. So, and this says there, girl. Daddy, I don't know what are these. They like little stands. Okay, I need to clean this. Stick through this thing. Daddy, there's also surprises in here too. It's just this thing that we have to dig. Look, I did dig. See? Can you see it, guys? To dig through this to get something. I think I see it. I think I had to wash my hands after this. but I need to dig more. I see something. Hang on. Let me grab it. Rah! Look at that. Squirrely. Okay. And we got